Today we are going to discuss trigonometry part 1 of 11th standard. So here cos theta value is cos x value is given. Cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and cos x lies in third quadrant. So third quadrant means value of x is in between 3 pi by 2 to pi. Value of x is more than pi and less than 3 pi by 2. So 0 degree 180 degree to 270 degree. So from cos we can find value of sec x is 1 by cos x. So 1 by 1 by 2, 1 by minus 1 by 2, nothing but minus 2 is value of sec x. So it is sec x. आता from sec x, and also we know another trigonometric identity, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So from this equation we can find out value of sin x. So let us see how we find out value of sin x. So sin square x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1. Sin square x plus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 is equal to 1. Sin square x is equal to 3 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. So sin x is equal to root of 3 by 2 plus or minus. So sin x is equal to what? Plus or minus root 3 by 2. So what is value of sin x? Plus root 3 by 2 or minus root 3 by 2? So basically it is in third quadrant. X lies in third quadrant. So in third quadrant sin theta is negative. So sin x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 because theta is in third quadrant. So we take sin theta as minus root 3 by 2. From values of sin and cos we can find out tan x. Tan x is nothing but sin x by cos x. Sin x is minus root 3 by 2 divided by cos x is minus 1 by 2. Minus minus gets cancelled, 2 get cancelled. So what remain? The remaining value is tan x is equal to root 3. So tan x is equal to root 3. So from tan x we can find out value of cot x. Cot x is nothing but 1 by tan x. 1 by tan x root 3. So therefore cot x is equal to 1 by root 3. So value of cot theta is, cot x is 1 by root 3, tan x is root 3. So again going to the next slide, as we know what are values remaining? Cosec theta is the only remaining value. So cosec theta is nothing but cosec x is nothing but 1 by sin x is equal to 1 by minus root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. Minus signs comes here. So cosec x is minus 2 by root 3. So if the question like this arises everywhere, so if question like this arises anywhere, if question like this arrives anywhere, we find out all other trigonometric functions. So there are basically 6 trigonometric functions. If I name them one by one, then listen: sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x and cosec x. So these are 6 trigonometric functions. So from one trigonometric function you can find out rest of 5 trigonometric functions. So thank you so much. We will be discussing more examples over this. So subscribe to our channel Easy Way Coaching Classes. Thank you so much.